everybody, it's TR. This is our next step in our bottom end service. So what I'm getting ready to show you now is we're getting ready to install our pinion bearing. So it goes onto a fixture that we have made up, and I wanted to kind of give you a little, this is a very important portion to me. If you'll notice, we got this fixture set up here, and then if you'll notice, it has just a slight lip right here. And this lip here is what controls the depth of our pinion bearing, which I'll explain to you why that's important later down the road. So what it is, so we put that on our fixture, and then we have this here, our bearing, of course, and then it goes into here, which is this is an alignment pin. So I always place my bearings in the same way with my numbers at the top, my numbers out, and then this here will just slide in like so. And what that does, that's aligning everything as we're pushing that bearing in. So then we set it up here, just like on the Timken bearings, it will press nice and smooth with no issues. Everything has been lubed. And as you'll notice, that just goes in just as nice as can be. We're not moving we're not peeling no material or anything of that nature. We'll go down, I get close, and then I just feel it hit on that stop. Now keep in mind, we're supporting the case. So we're going to kind of close out on this video, and then on our next video, I'm going to explain to you why we put these reed valves in. I believe that we're one of the very few companies, if the only company, that puts these reed valves in. And I also want to explain to you about the seal on the back of the oil pump, why we feel it's necessary to use it. So thank you very much, and please check out our next video.